Do you want to get fit and strong without going outside? Do you want to burn fat, build muscle, and feel amazing, all while staying home? Well, guess what? You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need a bike and your body. Today, I'm going to share with you the best indoor cycling workouts that help you checkmark burn fat fast, checkmark get strong legs, checkmark ride longer, checkmark and do it all in under 1 hour. These workouts are short, powerful, and easy to follow. Even if you've never done this before, don't worry, I'll explain it all step by step. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss the fat blasting workout that pros use to boost their power. Oh, and before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button below down finger, it helps me a lot, and you'll get more awesome fitness videos like this one. Let's jump right in. Let's start with workout number 1, the fat burner ride. This one is great if you're new to cycling or if you want to lose weight. Here's how it works. You ride your indoor bike at a steady pace for about 45 minutes. It shouldn't be super hard. You should still be able to talk, but feel like you're working. We call this an endurance ride. It helps your heart get stronger, and it teaches your body to burn fat as fuel. Here's a simple plan for the fat burner ride. Warm up for 5 minutes, easy pace, ride at steady pace for 35 minutes, cool down for 5 minutes, that's it. This workout is great to do 3 times a week. Workout number 2, the speed booster. Now this one is fun. It's called interval training. You ride fast, then slow, then fast again. It helps your body go faster and stronger. And guess what? It burns even more fat than steady rides. Here's the plan. Warm up for 10 minutes, do 1 minute fast, like you're racing, then 2 minutes slow. To rest, repeat that 6 times, cool down for 10 minutes. The fast parts should feel like you're really working hard, almost out of breath. The slow parts are your break. This workout takes about 40 minutes. You can do it 2 times a week. Before we jump into the next workout, here's something special for you. Party popper want to lose weight while still enjoying tasty food? Check out the Smoothie diet link in the description below. It's a yummy, healthy way to get in shape without starving. Thousands of people love it, and I think you will too. Now, back to the workouts. Workout number 3, the climber. Ever seen those strong cyclists climbing mountains? This workout makes your legs strong and builds power. Here's how you do it. Warm up for 5 minutes, set your bike to a harder level, like going uphill. Ride at that level for 5 minutes, go easy for 2 minutes, repeat that 5 times, cool down for 5 minutes. This one feels tough, but your legs will thank you later. Do this one once a week, and you'll feel the difference fast. Workout number 4, the short and sweet ride. Not much time. No problem. This one takes only 30 minutes, but it works your whole body. Here's what you do. Warm up for 5 minutes, ride fast for 30 seconds, ride slow for 1 minute, repeat that 10 times, cool down for 5 minutes. Even in just half an hour, you'll feel the sweat. It's perfect if you're busy. By the way, if you're enjoying these workouts so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. I post simple, powerful workouts every week to help you get fit at home. Don't miss out. Alright, let's keep going. Workout number 5. The pro ride, under 1 hour. This one is based on what real pro cyclists do. It's a mix of everything: speed, power, and stamina. Here's the breakdown. Warm up for 10 minutes, 3 minutes fast, 2 minutes easy, 2 minutes fast, 1 minute easy, 1 minute all-out sprint, 2 minutes easy. Repeat the whole thing 3 times, cool down for 10 minutes. This is the ultimate workout if you want to level up. You'll burn fat, boost endurance, and feel super strong. It's tough, but worth it. Now that you've learned the 5 best indoor cycling workouts, let's talk about some tips to make them even better. 1. Drink water. Always have water nearby. You'll sweat a lot, 2. Use a towel. Wipe your face and hands so you don't slip. 3. Play music. Music makes everything more fun. Fast songs are great for intervals. 4. Track your time. Use a timer or phone to keep track of the fast and slow parts. 5. Stay consistent. Doing these workouts 3 to 5 times a week gives the best results. And hey, before you go, if you're serious about losing weight and feeling better every day, don't forget to check out the Smoothie diet in the description below. It's a tasty, fun way to boost your health and see fast results. Click the link and give it a try. Okay friends, let's do a quick recap. Checkmark workout 1, fat burner ride, steady and easy. Checkmark workout 2, speed booster, fast slow intervals. Checkmark workout 3, the climber, strength for legs. Checkmark workout 4, short and sweet, quick but powerful. Checkmark workout 5, pro ride, mix of all. These workouts are fun, simple, and they work. No matter your level, beginner or pro, you can do them at home. No gym, no fancy tools, just you and your bike. So what are you waiting for? Pick one today and get riding. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.